574 Emma Street is updated, move-in ready, and located on a dead-end street. Let's go check it out. Your initial impression as you step inside should be a modern Fond du Lac square. Something to note right away as you see all this natural light coming in is that the house windows, other than the basement, are vinyl. The sellers have loved the open layout from the living room to the kitchen. It's made it easy for communication as well as entertaining. This home has 2 full bathrooms, one on each level, which makes it super easy for daily life and guests, as well as to have one up by the bedrooms. As you can see, we have 2 storage areas besides a large vanity in this bathroom. Take note that you can fit a large dining table and the window seat. Your updated kitchen has plenty of cabinet and countertop space and includes a full appliance package. Per the sellers, a new furnace and water heater were both installed in 2026. Off the kitchen and dining, you will find main floor laundry and a mud area, as well as your back door that leads to the back porch and detached garage. Now let's zoom our way through the house up the stairs to the bedrooms. First, we'll take a walk through the master bedroom. Just like the rest of the house, the upstairs has a very modern and neutral color palette. Don't let the curtain on the closet fool you, it's a walk-in, and there's a built-in here as well. The theme of walk-in closets continues throughout the rest of the bedrooms up here as well, which is a huge bonus for a home of this age. Now let's take a peek at the upstairs bathroom, which is also modern and updated. There was a tub and shower on the main floor. This one is just a stand-up shower. The sellers currently use the 3rd and final bedroom as an office for working from home, so you could use it in whatever way you need to. The closed door is another walk-in closet for this bedroom, and then we have a bonus area. Sellers used this for a playroom when their son was little and have now used it as another closet. Let me take you downstairs and outside to show you around and tell you a little bit more about updates and the neighborhood. This front porch has been the seller's perfect place to relax with a cold drink on a warm summer day. This street is quiet with low traffic because it is located on a dead end. The sellers take good care of their home and it shows in your curb appeal. As we walk down the driveway here, you are going to see the large 2.5 car garage and plenty of space to use back here, more like a patio. This will become your main entrance where you bring in your groceries and go through your mud area and laundry. Now your basement is located back here. It has a sump pump and drain tile, but because your laundry is on the main floor, it's really a place that you'll just access for storage. As we peruse the backyard, notice the clean and tidy landscaping as well as your privacy fence that covers a majority of the yard. There is a slight area that is not fenced. Back here, there is also a small shed with electrical. Per the permit record from the city, the house was re-roofed in 2016 and the rubber roof on the porch was done in 2019. Per the seller, the garage door is a few years old and you have vinyl siding, which means lower maintenance. 574 Emma Street is walking distance to Playmore and Taylor Park. It's not far from downtown and the Johnson Street hub to get to your grocery and department stores, restaurants, making a busy life super convenient, as well as being close by to multiple schools that you can walk, bike, or quickly drive to. Reach out with any questions or to schedule a showing and get in this cute move-in ready home today.